Hi, welcome back to Lost and Refound. Got the big Jeep in the shop, transmission ready to go. This is Pat. This
Hi,
is
guys.
Pat's place. Thanks, Pat, for letting us do this. Let's get started. All right, so we've got a lot of the prep work already done. We're ready to slide our transmission in. We'll get it up into place, put a strap under it, and then we'll grab the transfer case and hang it so we can get it on the cross member. It's a little too awkward to do both at the same time, so we're just going to do them in two pieces. So we're going to get to it. All right, we're under.
Got it?
Yep. Come on the other side. See if we can do this. And it's on the header. Square.
That looks pretty close.
All right. If you don't mind, make sure that torque converter doesn't take a flying leap while we're going up in the air.
Okay, header.
Yep. Have to come up above it.
And you're clear of the header. Yeah, we're pretty close. Alright, we're up at the engine. Come back just a hair.
Yep. As we lift, it'll come back too.
Alright.
Yeah, we're topped out.
We're about 4 inches.
That's all right. So what we'll do.
Valve stem.
Yep. All right. So, lifted life. Transmission is about that far away from being where it needs to be. We've got to let the air out of the tires, bring the front end down, and then we'll be close enough to bring it in.
I like to go up and show. Oh yeah, let's. We just gotta go straight forward.
That's what I'm hoping.
Come my side just a hair. Up about a ½ inch. All you gotta do. You get it?
Yep.
It's
Let me get back here at eyeball.
it's close.
What do we need to do?
I can't tell. Can you? Maybe back. There we go. That's what we need to do.
Are you on the pin?
No. Needs to come my way just a hair.
Your way?
Yeah. There. Oh, that's in. There it is.
Need another one for the top?
This side just has 3, right?
Yeah. Two kind of on the side and one up higher.
Need one more.
You need one more?
Yep.
We got one more. Making progress.
Pull back towards you a little bit. There we go.
Okay.
Right?
Yep. All right. Let's see. About to find out.
Yep.
Oh yeah. That's great. Didn't move an inch. Okay.
You want to basically do the same thing with the transfer case? Or?
Yep.
Hey, Gabby, bring it over.
Grab it off the bench.
You want me to grab it?
What's that?
Or is it going to take both of us?
I think I can get it. it on there.
Yeah, I got it. I saw that. Does this have fluid in it?
Nope.
Okay. Because the way it was sitting there rocking it, it's felt like it did.
Nope. It doesn't. Back, forward.
Straight. That's good. We're going to be right at the end. Yep. Alright, now you can go forward. Okay, up a little bit. Okay, right there. Hold up. I'll slide under it. Alright, so we need to go towards you. It looks like straight toward you.
Alright. Balance that and
Right there. Now forward. Yep. Up just a hair, it looks like.
yeah, it's gonna take a lot more. Because this side and on my side has to dangle down.
What do you want me to do?
Let's see here. I should have put it in gear. That would have been the smart thing to do. That way I could wiggle gears.
There we go. It's on.
Alright. Now let's
Now it's got rotated.
gently lower so we can rotate without tearing the gasket.
Yeah, the gasket's it is moving. Okay.
Alright.
Pretty close right there.
Now we gotta get bolts in on the, they go on the transfer case side.
See that?
Or if you can get to one or not.
Yep. Oh, I thought I could. There we go. Let's go.
Yeah, top one, man. And finger tight so it won't fall out now.
Yeah, I got that one in.
That's awesome.
All right, there's one up there.
That bottom one, I think. Wait till we get the jack out of the way.
All right, it's in. We just have those bottom two once the track's out of the way. And then the cross member. Is that the box entrance?
Yep. I don't know if I can get that. No, I don't think I can get that socket in there. Nope, that's okay. Get the two side ones snugged in pretty good. Yep. All right. Let me tighten this side. Is it butted up against everything?
Yeah.
Okay. A little more finger tight action. That strap is tight.
Yeah, it is. There's a lot of weight on it.
Yep. This top one real good. So I can get to it. Ever feel like you're being watched? Yeah. 3 Eagles, thousands of people. Well, not thousands. Hundreds at least. You want to do a little more on that top one?
I didn't get that top one at all yet.
Okay. All right, we're going to come down with this.
Okay.
Didn't move much.
Mm-mm.
I'll just slide this back.
Oh, maybe.
I'm trusting that strap a whole lot.
Yeah, we are.
No, I meant my head was right under it. Hand and arm is one thing. Putting your whole grill up in there,
Cranium in the way.
that's another deal.
All right. One more right there.
All right. Now, cross member and all the associated assortment with it. Once that's in, we can take a break. See if we're gonna have to jack it up.
Yeah, probably.
We'll may have to jack the frame rail apart.
Uh-oh.
That happens on these.
Yep. What do you want to do?
Come back and see if we can. I can't go back far enough. All right. But that's good enough for now. I'll time for the high lift jack. We'll spread the frame rails apart.
Yeah, this is pulling them in.
Yep.
So,
Yep. Which doesn't help.
you want to get something support the weight
Yeah.
here, and then maybe this, taking the weight off of this, will expand it.
No, I'll just go get the high lift jack. I'll just push it apart right here.
Okay. But I was just thinking, get this weight off of it might just be enough.
We'll try it. Let's get a smaller block.
You want to turn around or keep it right there? Push jack. There you go. So I want to stay low.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Let off the strap. Let's see what it wants to do. Go from there. That's plenty. See if that was enough.
Looks like there it goes.
Yeah.
That was enough.
Mm-hmm.
My holes were almost lined up. You get that side lined up and more. Do you want a dead blow?
I was thinking about getting a punch.
Okay. I got one.
Okay. Yeah, if you want to get a dead blow to finish tapping it into. Ooh, I got two on this side, so you got to go up. Need to go forward. And down.
And down now.
Yeah. Right there, give that a try.
You bolt from the outside. Right?
Yep, bolt from the outside.
Oh, right there.
Lock washers and nuts.
You don't do any washers on the outside?
I didn't have any before, but I don't
in.
have any now either, so.
The bolts or the nuts aren't directional, but these are directional.
They are directional nuts after the amount of wear they've had.
Yeah.
We'll definitely have to set it down and then jack up the whole mess to get the mounts in.
Yeah.
But at least it won't fall on us now.
Yeah. Whoa. Did that snap it?
No.
Oh.
Slid off.
Okay. I heard something hit the ground, I thought.
Throw some dirt.
That one's screwed going all the way in. This one, they're all
tight.
they're all tough, except for that one. So I can get this out of the way. We don't need this anymore.
No, I don't see a reason for it.
That one's stripped.
The head?
No.
The bolt?
Yeah.
Oh well. I'll deal with it later.
Yeah, see?
Okay. That's all right.
You want to tighten those up?
Already got this side.
Okay.
Now, can I get all this in? Probably gonna have to pull that cross member out we just put in.
Oh, I hope not.
Yeah. Don't hold your breath, because it's something I would do.
I think we might be okay.
I don't know. We'll find out.
If we put that on the tranny first and then put all the spacers in.
Well, the adapter has to go in or the little plate here, and then this, and then thankfully these all bolt to each other, not stud to each other.
Mm-hmm.
So these are the ones that'll go under from underneath to hold up.
There.
If I remember right. Which way does that go? Because that has to go there.
Oh.
And that has to go there. But because that one bolt hole gets covered up, you can't bolt it together first.
So it's not straight. It's
No.
kind of offset.
It's offset and angled. Clearance there to run a ratchet.
Ooh.
Just keep dropping it. It's all right. All right. Now, we have enough room. Oh, come on.
Get the jack
Am
up.
I out of jack? I think I'm out of jack is what it is.
Okay.
So let that down on there.
Do you want to buy on the jack or on
Yeah,
the...
on the jack side.
Right.
Huh?
All right. Okay, should we take the weight off?
Go ahead.
About center.
Sure, about there.
Give us it right there. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I was out of jack. Is what it was. I'm like, surely it's not hitting the underside of the body. All right, I'm missing two. There they are.
Because these go up here.
Yep.
And those go from the top.
Those go. Where do these go? These go in here. Yep. These are a different size. So I need a 5/8 socket for that.
Yeah, everything's been 9/16 so far, huh?
Most of it.
What was the training? Was no 5/8?
I think it was.
There's a socket right there on the tire.
There it is. We'll find out.
Yeah.
Ta-da.
Sweet.
Take it.
Do you want me to work on these? Or you get it?
What's that? Oh, going up through.
Once
No,
you get started.
yeah, once again, I got to get these done, and then we can eyeball getting that done.
Oh, yeah, they won't fit.
Yep,
They're not long enough.
they're not long enough. Except for the stupid new hose clamps, everything on here is standard.
Yeah.
New hose clamps,
All metric.
freaking 6mm.
Yeah.
Like what? What kind of garbage is that?
Are we just going Chris tight or are we going to torque?
What's that?
Are we just going Chris tight or torque?
Well, my elbow pops at about 45 foot-pounds, so. All right. Now, are we going to get lucky and line up before I put that down? Do you have that punch handy still?
No, I put it away.
Oh, that's a good spot for it. See if you can. So we got that hole and then I slotted. Yeah. Are we?
Go toward you. Just there.
Are the washers too much?
Nope. Okay, relieve.
Oh, there.
No.
Mm.
Yeah, it looks like these go that and forward slightly.
You can get this one, but not that one.
That one's back just a hair too far.
Can we try something else here?
Loosen those up and then do that?
Yep. We have enough. No, we need a 5/8 wrench, but we can still do it.
Do we have a 5/8 down here?
No, but I'm still getting back into my mechanic calisthenics. Do the rollover and pop up.
Not there yet.
Get in there. There we go. Ooh, that actually made it worse.
Let me loosen this one off then.
Yeah, let's make a big difference.
Moving it forward.
That one, I don't know what happened with that one.
We'll get the hard one, the center one. Sure, we'll let her on our threads.
There we go.
Close enough anyway.
It looks really good down here, but the thread, I might have weird it. Just hair.
Got her started.
Yep. We'll start it.
Run them. Send those chickens home to mother. Just spun the threads on the mount.
No.
That's all right. That's it.
Is it an insert?
Yeah, it's an insert. It's not gonna.
It's not going to drop the bowl out.
We Good old Chinesium. These two tightened up.
Alright, and then you gotta do the pan
Yep, all the pan and filter.
and potty break.
Yep. We call those sweet tea breaks on the channel.
Tea break.
Yep.
Alright.
Watch yourself for it. Put her under its own weight. Careful of the body. Don't want to dent up that body work.
Alright.
Yep.
Torch converter needs to be bolted up.
Mm-hmm.
The list is getting shorter.
Yes, it is.
Boy, I'm glad that didn't slip and get you. The way my elbow was.
Yeah. That's that other break you're talking about.
Yeah, another mount.
That's just to add for the.
Keep it from torquing.
Where's that one go?
Right here.
Oh,
On
okay,
this
on
side.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh, I see why. Okay, that makes sense.
Yep. So those will through there. And all right, which way are we going? We're going that way with that, I think.
Is that something you came up with?
Huh?
That's something you came up with? Or?
No, that's actually factory.
Huh.
I bought a new one because I couldn't find the old one. Then I found the old one.
Oh, no.
So we're putting the new one in.
Yeah.
Because we have a new one.
Yeah, exactly.
All right.
All right. Well, there it is. Transmission, transfer case, cross member, transmission mount, torque mount for the transfer case. Gotta put the other filter and pan on, bolt the torque converter to the flex plate. Wiggle around here. And then, of course, lease the rear drive shaft. Probably should go ahead and throw the exhaust on it. Shifter linkage still to do. Yeah, bunch of little stuff, but it is in. It's no longer sitting on the bench collecting dust. So this is awesome. Okay, I think we're gonna wrap it up for the day. We've gotten a little bit accomplished, and so we'll get everything hooked up, and on the next video we'll be driving it. I want to say thanks again to Pat.
No problem.
You know, Pat's been very instrumental in all this, you know, not only letting us work here. He went with me on the quick turn and burn. I mean, we were out and back in less than 24 hours picking it up Colorado. Been a real good friend of mine, you know, since a long time ago. Pre-Hillary, but I actually owned the Jeep before I met him, so.
Not pre-Jeep.
Not pre-Jeep yet. But all right, thanks everybody for watching, and next time we'll see if we can get this thing moving and driving. Thanks.
When you let the air out of the tires,
Mm-hmm.
it squished the skin.
Oh, that's funny.
I No, it's fine.
That's hilarious. Sucks because I gotta pee, but I'm on a roll.
Gonna do the underneath.
Lost my fur ball.